Hello, AP Computer Science Principal students, and welcome to another beautiful day of digital learning. And we only have 18 days left in this semester. Time flies when you're having fun learning from home. Let's go ahead and get started. So, question of the day for today: what is the name for programming code that is available to anyone to use or modify? Would it be licensed software, open source software, compiled software, or executable only software? Please take a moment, look over your answer choices, and then we'll go over it. So the correct answer to this question is B, open source software. Open source software is available to anyone to use or modify. Make sure you go over to It's Learning and look for question of the day for April 29th, 30th, and mark option B as the correct answer. Today's assignments are to watch the daily overview video, which you're doing right now, and complete the question of the day, which you're going to do in just a moment. And then you are to complete the compare and contrast compression formats. So you've read about the different compression formats that are used for video, for audio, for pictures, text. So now you're going to do a compare contrast of those. The full instructions are over in It's Learning. I had some questions too about the digital portfolio recently. Normally the digital portfolio, for those of you taking the AP test, is due by April 30th, which would be Thursday of this week. However, College Board has given us a slight extension due to the COVID-19 situation. However, if you've not submitted your digital portfolio, I would like to see that submitted this week. First of all, there's a grade that you've got marked 0 in the grade book, and you want to get that resolved. But we also want to make sure that we get our digital portfolio files submitted, and we are not going to wait till the last minute. If you have any questions regarding today's assignment or your digital portfolio for the AP test, just send me a message through It's Learning. Otherwise, have a wonderful day.